Hey there, Buy Smart viewers! Welcome back to your favorite channel, where we compare products so you don't have to waste your hard-earned cash on a dud. Today, we've got a drone showdown. On my left, we've got the tiny but mighty Holy Stone mini drone, and on my right, the high-flying Holy Stone HS720G GPS drone. It's David versus Goliath, folks, so buckle up. First up, let's talk about the price. The mini drone here costs just $36. That's less than a fancy dinner or a tank of gas these days. It's perfect for those who want to fly high without burning a hole in their wallet. Now, the HS720G. Well, it's a bit more of an investment at $299. That's right, folks, this drone costs more than your last 3 shopping trips combined. But hey, maybe it's worth it? The mini drone is like the class clown. It can do toss to launch, circle fly, 3D flips, and auto rotation. It's basically the kid who does backflips at recess. And let's face it, all kids love it. With 3 batteries, you get 21 minutes of non-stop fun. That's like 3 episodes of your favorite sitcom. Reviewers love its fun factor and easy-to-use features. The HS720G, on the other hand, is like the valedictorian. It's got a 2-axis gimbal and a 4K EIS camera for those Hollywood-quality shots. It's got follow me, tap fly, and point of interest. It's not here to play games, it's here to win awards. Reviewers praise its camera quality and advanced features. User-friendliness? The mini drone is like your grandma's old flip phone, easy to use and does exactly what you need. Altitude hold and headless mode make it perfect for kids and beginners. Reviewers appreciate its simplicity and ease of use. The HS720G is more like your dad's new smartphone, loaded with features you'll probably never use. But hey, it's got automatic takeoff, altitude hold, and optical flow positioning. Even a newbie can feel like a pro. Reviewers find it user-friendly despite its advanced features. Safety first. The mini drone comes with propeller guards, so you won't end up with a haircut you didn't ask for. Plus, it has a low battery power alarm to keep your drone from crash landing like a bad party guest. Reviewers find it durable and safe for indoor use. The HS720G takes safety to the next level with emergency stop, smart return to home, and a GPS module. It's like having a personal bodyguard for your drone. You'll never lose it, unless of course you forget where you put it. Reviewers love its advanced safety features. Portability? The mini drone is so small you could probably fit it in your pocket. Take it to parties, school, fishing, hiking, or even on a long journey. It's the ultimate travel buddy. Reviewers appreciate its compact size. The HS720G, with its foldable design and carrying case, is like a well-packed suitcase. Weighing less than a can of Coke, it's ready to go wherever you want. Just don't try to drink it. Reviewers find it easy to transport. In summary, reviewers find the Holy Stone mini drone to be an affordable and entertaining option, especially for beginners and kids. It is praised for its ease of use, durability, and fun features. On the other hand, the Holy Stone HS720G GPS drone is highly regarded for its advanced features, professional-grade camera, and user-friendly controls. It is seen as a great investment for those looking to take their drone flying to the next level. So there you have it, folks. The mini drone is the fun, affordable option for beginners and kids, while the HS720G is the high-tech powerhouse for those who want to take their drone game to the next level. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on our smart buys. Until next time, fly high, and buy smart. Product links are in the description.